Yes, sir. It's your boy Hayes. We back with another one. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Before we do that, let's give this video a thumbs up. If not, you already know. Also, if you're new here, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so you'll be alerted every time I post a new video. Let's go ahead and dive right into it. I'm gonna share with you guys this play that's starting to wake up and ready to take off, I believe, guys. We're gonna keep it conservative though. Look at the levels or where it could go next, but also, let you know the max potential on what it could possibly do. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. Also, that penny stock, I told you guys penny stock's waking back up. What I said, told you guys to look at EVTV yesterday, right? What I say? What I say? Go look at the video. Say I want to see a clean drop, morning panic down to $2 and what was it? $2.50 area, right? Between 211 and 250. You remember that, didn't you? You remember? Guess what it came down to this morning? Let me pull it up. This the stock, EVTV 319. Came down to 264, but if I look at the low, I'm pretty sure it probably said around 250. Or if it don't, we there. That's pretty much the same thing. 20 minutes after the open, the peak was damn near $5. So that was had a lot of opportunity to make money with that. And that's the beautiful thing about it. If you sit there and wait and hold all day and be slow, of course you're gonna lose money. Like, you need to be getting in and getting out after the stock make its move if you day trading. If you investing or holding long term, that's a different story. But I hope you ain't doing that with no penny stock, because you're gonna be in a bad situation. So moving on, this is stock we'll be looking at going to tomorrow. Coinbase is sitting at $256. I've been warning you guys and telling you guys about Coinbase being oversold. We see Bitcoin starting to wake up. I believe Bitcoin hit over 96K. It could be on a run straight towards 100. I haven't looked at it though, so don't hold me to that. Let me take a look at my Coinbase notes. So coin is sitting at 256. Support is around 255. If it breaks support, it's gonna come down to around 252 to 248. So if it break that 255, that's where it's gonna go back down for a second. But if it hold above 255, 254 worst case scenario, in case they wanna, you got to watch for stuff like that. Stop losses, they'll try and drop it a little bit of what we see just to try and mess up the psychology and run it right back up. So give it a little room. But anyways, break below that level, we could possibly go down. But if hold 255, break above 258, when you see a break above 258, it's a hard resistance right there. 258, 260, and that's when we really could get the move on. It could go up towards 272. That's if it have one of those, aggressive days. Like I told you guys in the previous video, I said $20, $30 day coming for this. This is like a $13, $14 day. And then sometimes they can break it up. 15 a day, 15 tomorrow, still $30. Just didn't happen in one day. Hope that makes sense for you. Moving on. Next is Meta. Meta has been oversold for a while, actually even cheaper now. Dropped $15, $16 a day. I alerted this in VIP. Right here, I alerted the Meta. I bought 630 calls, expired Friday. Stop loss 625. I'm selling if it dropped below 625. So I'm only risking $1, but the upside potential was, far greater than $1, a few dollars. But it didn't end up doing that. It went up to around $1, like 627, and I had sold out for a small profit of like $100 in a couple minutes. I made a small trade on that penny stock as well that I called out individually. So my strategy at the beginning of the year is to start small. I don't like to risk too much money, because if you I believe in momentum. If you start the year off bad on the wrong foot and now you're chasing, trying to get back, and it just leads to disaster. What I learned is starting off small and building up a nest egg with those little hits, 100, 200, 300, 400. Over time, after the first 2 months, now you up $5, $10, $15,000, and now you got more money to risk and make bigger plays for the rest of the year. Instead of starting out strong, you down 15,000, trying to get back. I don't know, that's my strategy. Do it work for you though. But I just like to, relay what's been working for me. That's why I always say, like, no trade is a position too. Protecting your capital, that's a strategy. People always, what's a good strategy? Just protecting what you already have is a strategy. If you cannot lose money, keep yourself from losing, and only lose a small amount each time, you're going to win. It's inevitable. You could have a 30% win rate. As long as you keep those losses very small and meticulous, you're going to still make money in the end. So Meta, what do I want to look for? Meta, it's going to have support around 627. If 627 breaks, it's going down to 624. 624 don't hold, it's going to 618 for sure. Now to the upside, if Meta breaks above $631.50, 631, 632, this thing going straight back to 640, the 650 area. 640 first, and then it'll grind up towards 650. Be on the lookout for that. Next, we got Tesla's been flirting around that support around that 450 area. But right here, we got support on Tesla around $444. If it break 444, it's going down to 440 and then 438. To the upside, we want to see Tesla break above 447, break 447. It could go towards 450, test around that support area. And if it break through 450, that's when Tesla can finally get a move on towards 453, 455, and so on. Next, something new for you is Amazon. Amazon is at a key level right now, especially if the market sell off and break down. It's going to have more downside potential than upside potential on tomorrow. So if it does fall tomorrow, more downside than upside. But let's go ahead and look at it. Just look at the levels on it. I thought I had it written down for you. I did. Somewhere, here it go. So Amazon got support around 240, 240.75. If it breaks 240.75, it's going down towards 232. 238 first and then 232. So that's a big drop. Amazon for the upside, if it breaks above 243, it could go towards 244, 245, and possibly go and try to retest that 248 area. But my theory is it'll fall quicker than it goes up unless the market is very, very bullish. Like I say, opinions don't matter though. I don't care if I don't care what I think. I'm going with the flow of the market and what's in front of me. But I got these numbers and these key levels in front of me to give me a good advantage to make a good decision. Okay, so the key level for SPY you want to watch is it's sitting at 694.39. This thing fall below 693 tomorrow. 693, that's your key level. It's going down. It's going down towards 690 and then 688 to test that 688 support. Why I told you guys a few days ago that's where support was, and it came down there in the pre-market or something and then went back up. But anyways, for the upside potential, like I say, you already know it's right here near the high. So 694, if it breaks it, it's going to test that high again around 696, and then if it breaks it, the market will be making new highs. Shout out to my guys and my brother. I ate good on QQQ 228 and SPY 205 puts. Like you said on your video, great job, fam. Thanks to you. Hey, much love, my guy. You already know. Also, if y'all want to join VIP, you already know what to do. Hit join on the main page. Third tier give you access to every single play we get in. The last tier exclusive give you access to the plays plus me for help and all that good stuff. Also, add your boy on Instagram at the BHaysShow_. You already know, man. I love you. We out, and God bless you.